You know, diseases in our gums are more common than you might think, and it can get pretty serious.
That's right. So for today's self-care tip, Dr. Kohli has advice on the best way to avoid gum disease.
Did you know that people with gum disease, also known as periodontal disease, actually have 2 to 3 times the risk of having a heart attack, stroke, or a serious heart event? So what's the connection between our gums and our risk of heart disease? Well, there's a few scientific theories out there. The first, scientists believe that bacteria that infects the gums can also get into the tiny blood vessels of our mouth, then spread to the blood vessels all over our body, cause inflammation and damage in those blood vessels, and this can trigger blood clots, causing those heart attacks and strokes. Second, some people think that it's not the bacteria that's the problem, but actually the body's immune response to the bacteria. Again, here our immune system sets off damage in those blood vessels, which triggers those blood clots, leading to heart attacks and strokes. So my recommendation as a cardiologist, I tell all my patients, floss every single day. That doesn't just keep those gums healthy, doesn't just prevent tooth decay, but could also be associated with a lower incidence of heart disease. Second, I say you should try to floss before you brush your teeth so that you can really loosen those particles and the debris on our teeth, and then our toothbrush can whisk it away. And finally, many studies actually recommend flossing at night rather than flossing in the morning because we tend to have a large period of inactivity when we go to sleep at night where there's not a lot going on in our mouths. Keep watching 9 News at 3 for more daily medical advice and self-care tips.
Great tips. As an adult, I do this. Have you started trying to floss with Ava?
Yes, she loves it.
I can't. Are you
She loves
kidding
vegetables.
me?
She loves to floss. She's
Oh
she's a
my
cute baby. Yes,
gosh.
she'll remind me if I don't. She's like, "Mom, you didn't floss. You didn't floss today." I was like, "Oh my God, sorry."
Ava's like your grandmother reincarnated, I feel
She
like.
is. Put on the
Yeah.
seatbelt, Mom. Like she's just very responsible for your
Good
old
for
that
Ava,
one.
because Sophie, I do the water pick. So for
those
those
are
of you,
so great.
yes, if you have a kid out there that doesn't want to floss like Ava, use the old water pick.
Totally.
So my dentist said it was okay.
I love those things.
Miles, another story.
He's gonna get there. Miles on his own time. He's gonna get there.
That's right.